Hello, it's Lisa Marvin Art and it's Resin Day. I want to give you a quick intro of the things that I use to resin because you could resin too, even though it's scary. I was very scared for a long time. You'll need first some rubbing alcohol, 99% isopropyl I should say, and you clean your piece with the alcohol to clean off any oils, anything that will stop your resin from drying flat. You will need your resin. This is Artworks resin from Canada. I like it, but any resin will do. Normally they are equal parts. You have to read the directions of your resin. You'll need a mixing cup to measure your equal parts. I stir for about 3 minutes, but you want to stir until it's all clear. Once you pour it, you will torch very quickly your resin to get the bubbles out. You don't want to burn it. Now, I use my hands with the gloves on to spread my resin because I do a lot of pieces. I find it goes faster for me. A lot of people like to use these tools as well. If you're doing small amounts and you're in no rush, these can work as well. Most importantly, safety first, always wear a mask, specifically for organic vapors. An N95, things like that will not really protect you from the vapors of the resin. You also want to wear goggles. So, now let's talk about the actual resining part. Here's the pieces I'm resining today. Excuse the mess in my studio. I'm cleaning. I put bigger cups around the edges, and then I take old canvases, and once the resin, there's Kurt, I put the canvases on top as to not get any dust. They are on little mixing cups, but you could put anything to keep them lifted. Okay, so that's just a little intro to resin. Hope that answers some questions. Stay tuned for me resining all these pieces. Bye. Look at that, 20 ounces on the dot, perfect measuring. The first minute you can see it's pretty cloudy and you can see the streaks. After 2 minutes, it gets clearer. And then at the 3 minute mark, you can see it's totally clear. I like to put little dollops on my paintings first, and then do not laugh at that ridiculous glove. Those are my husband's gloves, just ignore that. Normally I wear normal gloves and it doesn't look ridiculous. Then I take my little torch, get those bublés out, cover them up, cross my fingers, hope for the best. Here's the finished products. That's a little part of a triptych I did. Pretty. Love these sparkles. By the way, these are TLP interference colors, this little pigment. They just make me so happy. And here's a few of more of the finished products. I hope this helped. Let me know what you think. Have a good day. Bye-bye.